Hi guys, good morning. So today we are going to start with some basic requirements where you want to start with some Python lectures, or if you want to prepare for that data science course, machine learning, generative AI, or AI engineer. So nowadays a lot of hype is going on related to the generative AI, but people don't know actually from where they can start, which skill they can learn, and you know so they actually don't know the step by step approach. They just directly start to learn the machine learning, or sometimes deep learning, or sometimes generative AI, but many of them don't know the exact flow and all those things. So are actually what basic things you require, so that based upon that you can become a data scientist. So first step is like, friends, whatever you are learning, data scientist, AI engineer, or machine learning, first things and first and most important thing is the Python, because based upon Python actually you need to do the lot of other tasks, like where you can import various libraries, you can do the coding, you can define some functions, you can add the file, folder structures, directories, and so many things can be done through the Pythons. Because in the real world time applications, whenever any user is asking the questions, or if you want to utilize any particular trained model, so through the Python language actually you are ingesting those models into the your code, and after that you will do the pre-processing. So now so many of you will going to think like Python is very difficult to learn or tough to learn, but in reality it's the easiest language among all other languages like C language, C++ language, or even Java language. So in the Python actually what you have need to learn, friends, so in within Python you must know like the basic types of data types of Python: string, list, then dictionary, sets, mutable, immutable data types, tuples. Once this is done, then how you can handle the file folders. Then for data pre-processing you require some libraries like NumPy, then pandas. Then there are other some methods libraries like where you can train the models or utilize models like scikit-learns or TensorFlow or PyTorch. And if you do the basic of all those things, and you also know like how Python is working, like how you can define the variable, how you can apply the for loop there, how you can utilize the list, dictionaries, how you can optimize the codes like classes, objects, and other methods. Once this is done, and this is doable just within the 1 month if you give your full focus, full strategy, full approach. There are a lot of courses available, and you just need to pick up one topic, and every day you need to do the practice. There are so many online free resources available, you can take the utilization of them. It just depend upon how you are hungry for to get the into the job, or how hungry you are, means if you want to learn the new courses and all those things or skills. Once Python is learned, then you can go towards the another one is like machine learning. So while doing the machine learning also you can learn the Python, you can do the practice, because there you require the pandas, you need to import some models, there you require to know the need the data pre-processing and all those things. And also you required mathematical knowledge like how mean, mode, median work, statistics, probability. Now many of you will get fear like, oh no, mathematics it's very tough for us, and how we can do all those things. But in reality, yeah, you require mathematics, but not in that much depth where you want to do the research or something. Yeah, you just need to know like how at the back end it's going working, because in the interview or while applying or using some models you require the understanding of them. But it's doable, it's not that much tough where you can think like, oh no, it's very tough and I can't do. So once this is done, you can go to the machine learning where how you can train the model. So once you get the data, you will do the data pre-processing, you will convert that data into the required model format, and based upon that you will train the models. And once model is trained, you can do the testing, and after that you just need to deploy the model to the specific server where real-time data will come, and based upon that model will predict some outcome, and those outcomes will be given to the end user. So that is the very high simple overview for that architecture. But many of you don't know actually what's happening behind the data science, actually what's mean of data science, actually what you do there, what machine learning is doing, how you are doing the visualization of data, how you are making the interpretation of results. if you are getting large number of data, how you decide which models you need to select, what are the business insights are coming. Now you will think like, means you are now once again thinking like those are very tough terms to understand, those are very hard terms to get to understand all those, but in reality those are not much big tough terms. If you start to learn, if you once starting to learn, if you do this some coding practices, if you do some projects, automatically you will get to know like, oh, it's that much easy and why we are taking the unnecessary tension. And nowadays in the market there are a lot of jobs are coming on happening, so they are giving the very high and huge salary, so you don't lose that opportunity, just try to learn. And once you are start to give the interview, after some interviews automatically you will get to know like for which skills what they are asking, and based upon those questions and improvement, definitely one day you will going to get the perfect dream job, and then you will going to see the beauty of that AI and the magic or the interest, how much interest you are developing. And you will also get surprised by how AI is developing into the industries, how they are making the progress, how they are solving the real life business use cases in a such speedy and faster manner, and you are one of their contributor. So please let me know if you have any doubt or issues. I am definitely here for to help you, and I'm going to make a series on that. And if you have any doubt or questions, please let me know, and also let me know how is this video, my voice quality, and other things. Thank you. Bye bye.